Here is my review on the Optimus Prime 3D printed figure. So printed all in one piece. I used PETG, blue PETG, printed in about 2.5 hours, Creality K1C. Very good quality. I'm surprised that, even though the tolerance there is so small, I just gave it a wee push and it broke, or it didn't really break, the seam just opened. So now it smoothly just comes out. The hinges, very good hinges. A few things I would do differently if I made this. I would make, just because I have a few models, like actual Optimus Prime models of my own, I would make more hinges, like for the legs, just to give more posability. But the truck mode on this figure is class, and it's very easy to transform. It reminds me of the first ever G1 Transformer Optimus Prime. It's a wee bit loose there, so we go with that. But if it's a display figure, this mode is very, very nice. I'm gonna try and paint this soon with the actual colors of Optimus Prime. Robot mode, compared to other ones that you would buy, say like in the comic store and all, it doesn't really compare, this robot mode. But it is 3D printed, so it's class for being 3D printed. Alright, bye.